Have you ever seen a sewing project that just seems scary or intimidating to attempt? Hi guys, I'm Nicole and I'm the Selfish Sewist. And today I want to talk to you about a project that just seemed a little scary and intimidating to me. For some background, I started sewing about a year ago and was really just committed to sewing garments to myself. So even though there's a ton of beginner projects out there for pillowcases and stuff like that just held no interest to me, and I just jumped right into garment sewing. So as I started coming across people in the community who were making bags, I thought, wow, that's really neat, but that's just not for me. I can go a lot of places. I can find an affordable handbag. I have a lot of handbags I already love. I just don't need to make bags. That seems complicated. It seems like I would need different equipment. Like, there's just no need for this. But just recently, my local sewing shop, Stitchology Albuquerque, posted a picture on their Instagram of this beautiful bag. It's the Rifle and Paper Company canvas, which we know I love. And I saw it and was like, I have to have that. So I knew that I was just gonna have to tackle my fears a little bit and figure out how to make a bag. Which I did. And it came out beautiful. And I love it. And it wasn't that hard and it wasn't that scary. I think that's the great thing about sewing, is once you kind of start to get into things, it's not nearly as scary as it seemed. So this bag is the Wax and Wool tote from this Everyday Essentials. It's like a little pattern booklet. So there's a wallet in here and a little, it's like kind of like a little pouch in this bag. And once I got into the pattern, I actually was pleasantly surprised to see how easy it is to make a bag. I just needed that, I guess, a little bit of encouragement to get going. I guess the reason I wanted to share this with you all is I feel like as kind of younger sewists and people who haven't been sewing that long, we have a lot of projects that seem scary or intimidating, like jeans or button-down shirts, or, you know, sewing with knits. Like, there's a lot of things that just, like, they seem hard or they seem complicated, or you had one bad experience and are just not interested in trying again. So I wanted to share this with you guys to kind of share my experience about conquering my little bit of sewing fear, and I would love for you guys to share your experience. I feel like the world we live in is so great now that we have all of this technology to connect the sewing community, and I would love to just kind of see this blossom as a way for people to encourage each other. So if you want to leave a comment down below about what projects seem scary to you or what you're tackling for the very first time, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'm the Selfish Sewist there, and I'm going to use the hashtag scary sewing to see if we can all just kind of come together and connect more experienced sewists with new sewists to help us really accomplish projects that seemed scary or intimidating at first. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks. Bye.